Hi, I'm Brett Mundell, Managing Director at Leverage Technologies. Since 2005, we've been helping Australian businesses find and implement the right enterprise resource planning software to grow smart. Today I'll be talking about finding the best ERP software solution to manage your production from paddock to plate in the food industry. I regularly meet with food manufacturing businesses to discuss their ERP requirements. Most of these businesses are growing rapidly due to an increase in consumer demand for lean meat, poultry and other associated food products out of the Australian market. To keep up with this demand, these businesses are now in a situation where their current ERP solution doesn't do the job anymore. This is for multiple reasons, including government regulations, increasing demand for growing portfolio of suppliers and contractors and products. Internal systems in the business just can't keep pace. So what are the ingredients for success in an ERP solution? Number one, compliance. You want an ERP solution that supports your compliance requirements such as ANZ Food Standard Codes, HACCP traceability, product recall management, monitoring of critical control components in the food production process, are just some of the core functionalities that you'd be looking for in your food ERP software solutions. Number two, weighing scale integration, another common requirement in the food industry. You want an ERP solution with integrated weighing scale functionality to automate the weighing process and to make sure the right goods and quantities are being shipped in each carton or box. More advanced food ERP solutions should also give you the ability to track random weight, catch weight, another common requirement for meat producers, for example, where the weight can vary for each carton. EDI, electronic data interchange, is key to sell to major retailers in Australia. Major stores for Woolies and Coles, for example, will require EDI compliance to automate the selling and fulfillment process. Make sure that your ERP software has EDI functionality and that can be adapted for the requirements of your various customers. Proof of delivery. Implement an ERP solution that supports your food distribution process with automated and electronic proof of delivery, handled on mobile devices, for example, by your couriers. This helps your teams reduce paperwork and increase accuracy by keeping track of product delivery efficiency in real time. Production planning. Get a handle on your ingredients with a production and scheduling planner. Production planning in your food software ERP solution gives you the ability to input works orders and automated recommendations on the best combination of resources and ingredients to get the finished product efficiently at the right time. Another key functional requirement as you scale your food business. So these are our top 5 recommendations around ERP software selection for food and beverage. Thanks for joining us, and if you need any help, feel free to get in touch. See you next time.